Yo, what's up everybody, it's Alice, and welcome to Wonderland. But hold up, before you think I've gone mad, again, we're diving into a different kind of adventure today. YouTube! We're talking about starting your own channel, growing your audience, and maybe, just maybe, turning it into something huge. Whether you're looking to share your passion for, I don't know, talking rabbits or tea parties, build a brand around your Mad Hatter hat collection, or just have fun making videos, we've got you covered. I've teamed up with the one and only Mr. Beast to bring you the ultimate guide to conquering YouTube. We're talking step-by-step, no-nonsense advice that'll take you from 0 to 100, quicker than the white rabbit late for a very important date. So, buckle up, grab your cup of tea, or a Feastables cookie dough, and let's get this YouTube party started. First things first, we gotta figure out what makes your channel special, what makes it uniquely you. What's your story? What are you passionate about? Is it gaming, makeup tutorials, cooking, unboxing, weird things you find down rabbit holes? Think of it like this. Your niche is your own little corner of Wonderland. It's where you'll attract an audience who loves the same things you do. The more specific you are, the better. Don't be afraid to get niche-y. Trust me, there are people out there who share your passions, no matter how out there they might seem. Remember, starting a YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. You gotta be passionate about what you're doing to keep going, to keep creating awesome content, and to keep your audience engaged. So, what are you waiting for? Let's find your Wonderland. Alright, you've got your niche, now you need a name. And not just any name, a name that's as unforgettable as the Mad Hatter's hat collection. It's gotta be catchy, memorable, and scream you. Think about it. What's the first impression you want to make? What kind of vibe are you going for? Are you funny, informative, mysterious? Let your channel name reflect that. And remember, keep it short, sweet, and easy to remember, and spell. Oh, and one last thing. Make sure it's available. Check YouTube, check social media, check everywhere. You don't want to end up in a legal battle with another creator over a name. Trust me, it's not as fun as a tea party with the March Hare. Alright, you've got your niche, you've got your name, now it's time to build your Wonderland. First up, you'll need a Google account. Don't worry, it's easier than stealing tarts from the Queen of Hearts. Once you're all set up with Google, head over to YouTube and hit that Create a Channel button. Now comes the fun part, customizing. Choose a profile picture that represents you or your brand. Create a banner image that screams, "Welcome to my channel," and write a channel description that's clear, concise, and tells people what you're all about. Think of your channel description as your elevator pitch. You've got a few short sentences to grab people's attention and make them want to hit that subscribe button. What makes your channel unique? What kind of content can viewers expect? What is your upload schedule? Let them know. Here's the deal. Content is king, or should I say queen, on YouTube. You gotta create videos that are not only entertaining and engaging, but also high quality. And no, you don't need a fancy studio or $1 million camera to get started. Start with what you have. Your phone is a perfectly good camera when you're first starting out. Focus on good lighting. Natural light is your best friend. Clear audio, and most importantly, a compelling story. What do you want to share with the world? What message do you want to get across? Once you've got the filming down, it's time to learn some basic editing. There are tons of free and paid editing software options out there. Experiment, play around, and find what works best for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. You've poured your heart and soul into creating awesome content. Now it's time to share it with the world. Promote your videos on social media, tell your friends and family, shout it from the rooftops. Okay, maybe not literally, but you get the point. One of the best ways to grow your channel is to collaborate with other creators. Find YouTubers in your niche, reach out, and see if you can create some awesome content together. It's a win-win. But most importantly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and create a community around your channel. Make your viewers feel seen and heard. After all, they're the reason you're doing this in the first place. And there you have it, my friends. You're now officially ready to start your own YouTube channel and conquer the platform, one video at a time. Remember, be yourself, be passionate, and most importantly, have fun. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel. And hey, if you decide to make a video about talking rabbits or tea parties, be sure to drop a link in the comments. I'd love to see it. Good luck with your YouTube journey. I can't wait to see what incredible things you create.